This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. This week on my channel, it's another edition of the fan favorite dollar store model railroad finds. For those of you that don't know, I go to the dollar store and take $5 and pick up 5 things for model railroading. So that's what's coming up this week. Then next week, we are finishing up the installation of the Arduino multi-block signal system. I had to do a few more things that you saw in the layout update before I could do the final installation of the signal system, but it's going to be up and it's going to be running and we're going to be testing it out. So that's what's coming up this week and next week. Now, on to the quick tip. My quick tip this week involves layout planning. Remember, real railroads try to use the least amount of track possible in order to save money. So that when you're designing your railroad, try to base your track plan around the idea that the less track that you can use and still accomplish what you need, the better. So remember, real railroads use the least amount of track possible and try to do that on your layout. And that's my quick tip for this week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!